Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can get online paid course for free and how you can get the certificates for it. So before going to the video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notifications from our channel. And don't skip the video, watch the full video, and if you have any doubts please do comment down below. So now let's get into the topic. So first of all, here there is a website called BitDegree. So just click on it. So as you can see here, there are some free courses and also the paid courses. So I'm going to show you how you can get all the courses for free. So first of all, when you get into the website, just click on sign up for free. Once you get into the page, you can sign up with your Facebook account, email account and LinkedIn account. So I will be logging with my Gmail account. So click on continue. So here we are on the dashboard. So once you get here, as you can see here, I have been logged into my account. Make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you log in, just here in second option you will get an option called certificates. So just click on it. So once you click on it, here there is a course. So here, as you can see here, there is a free duration of COVID-19. So you can click it here. As you can see here, we are getting all the courses here right now. So here I will share you the one of the trick, and don't skip the video. At the last I will share you the one of the trick to get the free courses. There is you will get one thing link from here. I will show you how you can verify it. So to enroll this course, so as you can see here, there are a lot of courses available here. Hacking course, ethical hacking, white hat hacking, Python, ethical hacking and Python courses. There are so many courses here. There are filter you can go for it. So designing, if you want designing, web designing, you can just tap on it. So as you can see here, there is a web designing, and if you want app designing, so you can click it here. So skills improve, and the rating also you can filter by the rating also. So I will enroll one course and I will show you. So if you want a business, so here you can click it here. So in web development I will show you. So as you can see here, they mentioned the prices also here. So right now it is free. So for example, just I will try with this. So or else let us enroll this course, hacking master course, ethical hacking. So just click on start learning now. As you can see here, in section 1 we can watch the videos and download the PDF, and in section 2 also we can do it, and in section 3 we are unable to access for it, and section 4, section 5 also we are unable to access for all the courses. So to enable it, just click on start learning now. So yeah, here there is an yes, enroll. Just click on enroll now. So as you can see here, we have enrolled the course here. So once I will show you the interaction for it.
Greetings everyone, welcome to the Core Hacking Kit. In
As
this
you can see
lecture,
here, the
we will
course is
understand
perfectly
why do you
working.
need
so you can learn from here. There are a lot of courses available in this website, so you can directly come and directly you can access to this website and you can learn all the courses, and at the end of completion of the course you will get a certificate from this website also. So once you open your Gmail, and here you can see that I got a mail from the website which I have been enrolled. So you can take a quiz also, so you can click here to pick a course like this. So we can access to the, after enrolling the course, after completion of this course, so you need to take a short test from this website. So how you will get a mail from here, as you can see here, you can take a quiz after completion of your course. You can answer to the quiz and you can get the free certificate from here. So that's all for this video, friends. Please do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family members. And also, if you want any Udemy courses for free, so paid course for free, I haven't created the WhatsApp group, so you can join it here. I will give the link in the description, WhatsApp group link, so you can join to there, and I will update the paid courses, Udemy paid courses for the free of course. So you can join it from the description. So I will daily post some of the courses which are paid courses in the Udemy. So that's all for this video, friends, and thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video and comment your opinion below. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video.